Hi there. Let's go through a brief walkthrough of how to submit a Jamf Pro summary. The Jamf Pro summary is a customizable report that contains information about your Jamf Pro instance. This report can be sent to Jamf directly from your Jamf Pro instance for troubleshooting with our support team or during license renewals. In order to submit the summary directly to Jamf, a valid cloud services connection is needed. To enable this feature, navigate to Settings, Global, Cloud Services Connection. Select Enable Cloud Services Connection and follow the prompts to log in with your Jamf ID. When complete, a green Connection Enabled message is displayed. To create and submit the Jamf Pro summary, navigate to Settings, Information, Jamf Pro Summary. Each checkbox in this list corresponds to an object type within your Jamf Pro server that can be added to the summary. For example, to include information about all applications in my Jamf Pro instance, I could select Mac apps under Computers and mobile device apps under Mobile Devices. Typically, though, when asked to submit a summary to Jamf, it's best to use the Select All button in the bottom left to check all available boxes and include as much information as possible. To submit the summary to Jamf, click Send in the bottom right. After a moment, a confirmation appears letting us know the submission was successful. Alternatively, if you'd like to download a copy of the summary for yourself, click Create in the bottom right. Next, click Download to download a copy of the summary to your computer. Thanks for watching.